this woods grows trees, and my father cut the trees, and we had them cut, and he built the barn and a tool shed from this small woods many years ago. Dad died. He cut this path into the woods so that people can enjoy walking and enjoy going through the woods and seeing all the trees.
看到冬天的时候没有树叶，但是一夜之间全部是绿的树叶。有的时候呢，有人在这里打猎，我们私家的财产So wonderful, is that right?
That's right. One man comes here every year in the fall, and he shoots first with bow and arrow, and then later with a gun to shoot the deer.